Let us talk about how to submit the homeworks of mathematics through online. Okay, at first take a photo of your copy. At first do the homework in your copy, then take a clear picture. Okay, like this. There are so many pictures of my homework. Taking these pictures. Okay, and open this. Suppose this is the pictures of the homework. Okay, then copy this. And second step, open your Word document and to paste here. Okay, if there are unnecessary parts in a picture, you need to crop the pictures and correction here. Here is a crop bar, crop tool. Then you can crop the picture, only keep the required parts like this, and then enter. Okay, and increase the brightness. If photo is not clear, increase the brightness from here, and contrast also. And you can similarly paste the another photo also on the down. Control V, press Control V. Now here is visible the next photo, and Control V, another photo also. Then you can then open your Google Classroom. Google Classroom. Okay. Suppose my Google Classroom is this. There are so many assignments. Click one assignment, view assignment, then add file, that is the document file. Okay, select from your computer. There is a document file. Suppose here is my document file, and upload. It takes a time. Then turn in, don't forget to turn in the second way. If you want to use the Google Doc file, similarly open your picture, copy the picture, then open your Google Doc, Control V or right click, paste. Okay, here is a picture. Similarly again, click the picture, and here is a crop tool. Okay, right click, then here is a crop image, and only keep the required part only. Okay, required part. Likewise you can crop the picture and enter. Press the enter, only required part is visible. And you can increase the light also. Okay, edit the picture, increase the light, brightness, everything. Make your homework beautiful. You can use the Google Doc or Word file. Both are the similar process.